Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking all about Brazilian waxing and how it changes depending on your hair type. Whether you've got fine, coarse, or curly hair, we've got you covered. If you're thinking about getting a Brazilian or just want to learn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our beauty tips. Let's dive right in. So first things first, what exactly is a Brazilian wax? Essentially, a Brazilian wax removes all the hair in the bikini area. Front, back, and everything in between. It's different from a regular bikini wax which might only cover the sides. Brazilian waxing leaves your skin feeling fresh and smooth for weeks. And let's be honest, who doesn't love that feeling? Check out these before and after photos. Pretty impressive, right? The smooth hair-free results speak for themselves. It's not just about aesthetics. Brazilian waxing also helps with hygiene by keeping the area cleaner and more breathable. Definitely a win-win. Now, let's talk about how your hair type affects your waxing experience. Fine, coarse, and curly hair all react differently to waxing, so let's break it down. Let's start with fine hair. If your hair is fine, it's usually easier to wax because it's thinner. But here's the thing, it tends to grow back faster, which means more frequent touch-ups. The key here is to choose the right type of wax. For fine hair, a softer wax is your best bet. And if you want to reduce discomfort, using a pre-wax oil can really help make the process smoother. Now, if you've got coarse hair, things can be a little trickier. Coarse hair is thicker, which can make the waxing process a bit more painful, but don't worry. With the right prep, you'll be fine. Before your appointment, exfoliate to remove dead skin cells, and make sure your hair is the right length, too short or too long, and the wax won't work as well. If it's your first time waxing coarse hair, I'd recommend seeing a professional to get the best results. Curly hair, that's a whole different story. Curly hair can be more prone to breakage and ingrown hairs. So if you've got curls, it's really important to find a skilled waxer who knows how to work with curly textures. After waxing, make sure you're on top of your aftercare to avoid ingrown hairs and keep that smooth look going. Let's talk about finding the right waxer. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it makes all the difference. Experience really matters when it comes to Brazilian waxing. A certified and experienced waxer will know exactly how to handle your hair type, minimize pain, and give you the best results. So before booking, make sure to check their reviews or ask around for recommendations. One of the best tips I can give you is to communicate clearly with your waxer. Let them know about your hair type, any concerns you have, or how you're feeling during the process. A good waxer will listen to you and provide advice tailored to your needs. Don't be shy. If something doesn't feel right, speak up. And don't forget to ask the right questions before you go. Ask about their experience with your hair type, the wax that they use, and how to care for your skin afterward. If you're unsure, it's also totally fine to schedule a consultation to see if you feel comfortable with them. Okay, so you've had your Brazilian wax, now what? Let's talk about post-wax care so you can keep that smooth skin feeling going as long as possible. Exfoliating is key to preventing ingrown hairs. You should start exfoliating about 2 to 3 days after your wax. Be gentle and use an exfoliating mitt or a scrub that's not too harsh on the skin. Moisturizing is another must. Use a fragrance-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and prevent irritation. This helps soothe your skin and keeps it looking soft and smooth. After your wax, try to avoid direct sun exposure in hot environments for at least 24 to 48 hours. Your skin will be more sensitive, so it's important to protect it from sunburns or irritation. So there you have it. Brazilian waxing can be a great way to keep your bikini area smooth, but it's important to consider your hair type, pick the right waxer, and follow proper aftercare. If you've had a Brazilian wax before, we'd love to hear about your experience. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.